Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Welcome to Lesson 1, Multiplying Fractions by a Whole Number. Now you've already clicked on this button to obtain this video, and what we have here for you are 2 examples, and we have some problems, 6 of them. However, let's look at the examples first. Now, when you multiply fractions, it's really pretty easy to do. Here we have 1/2 times 3. Well, we want to change this 3 to a fraction, so we just simply place a 1 underneath of it, because it's a whole number. So here we have 1/2 times 3 over 1, and just simply multiply across. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, and we want a mixed fraction here. 2 goes into 3, 1 and 1/2 times. Let's look at number 2. That was pretty easy. Let's look at number 2. 2/4 times 5. Again, make that a fraction. Put the 5 over 1. 2/4 times 5 over 1. 2 times 5 is 10. And 4 times 1 is 4. Now, let's reduce that. 2 goes into 10 5 times. And 2 goes into 4 twice. Again, let's reduce this to a mixed fraction. 2 goes into 5 2 times with 1/2 left over. Now, what we like to have you do, if you follow those examples, these should be pretty easy to do. We'd like to have you work on this worksheet. Pause the video first. We'll tell you when. Finish the worksheet, then continue playing the video. Please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Here we have 2/3 times 3 equals, and the answer to that one is 2 times 3 is a 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. And we divide 3 into 6, that's 2 over 1. The answer is 2. Number 2, 1/4 times 3, right? So we have the 3 over the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 times 1 is 4. 3/4. Number 3, we have 1/3 times 7, and the answer to that is 1/3 times 1 times 7 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. And to reduce that, 3 goes into 7 2 times with 1/3 left over. Number 4, 7 over 10 times 6, right? Same basic idea. 7 times 6 is 42. 10 times 1 is 10. Now let's reduce that. 2 goes into 42 21 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times. To divide that, 5 goes, or reduce that, 5 goes into 21 4 times, that's 20, with 1/5 left over. And number 5, 3/5 times 5, and that should be 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 goes into, to reduce that, 5 goes into 5 1 time. 5 goes into 15 3 times. And it's 3 over 1, so the answer is, in its lowest form, 3. And the last one, we have 4/5 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 goes into 12 2 times. That's 10, with 2/5 left over. Well, we hope your answers matched ours, and we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.